Hello XDC fans, let's dive into some bullish content. The XDC network just keeps getting better and better. As the market is preparing for a bull run, this is sure to be one rocket ride. In this video, we're going to go over the price. Also, we're going to break down tokenization and some utility already going on with the XDC network. We're also going to explore and compare the XDC network to a couple other major networks, and also go over some other good news. So if you're an XDC fan, you've come to the right spot. Please do hit the like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's go ahead and roll it. Quick quote before we begin. This is from Ernest Hemingway. "The world breaks everyone, and afterward, many are strong at the broken places." Get this, according to the FBI, there's a noticeable increase in attacks targeting your phone. This can be alarming, especially if you store cryptocurrency on your phone. Last year alone, for example, SIM swapping hacks increased almost 6 times from the previous year, and it's only expected to increase. When it comes to taking your data and your wealth seriously, Efani's mobile phone service is second to none. It's like turning your mobile device into Fort Knox. Nobody's getting in. They offer 100% guaranteed security against SIM swapping, fake towers, eavesdropping, location tracking, spam calls, spam text, and malware. As if 100% guaranteed security isn't enough, if by some impossible chance your phone does get compromised, Efani offers you a $5 million insurance policy to cover you as part of this service. All this premium service for only a little more than you're paying each month for your phone service anyway. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Right now, you can receive $99 off the service through this channel. Token Topics is your promo code to receive that $100 off. I'm going to go ahead and put the affiliate link in the description for you, and simply scroll down to the bottom. You pick whatever plan that you would like. And as you can see here, it automatically fills the promo code in. Now, if you don't use the affiliate link, just type in Token Topics to make sure you get that $100 off. Let's check out the current price of XDC right now. As you can see, it's a little over 2.5 cents. It's gone up almost 5% for the week. And it is looking pretty healthy right now. Now, this thing has had a long time. It's consolidated, it's capitulated, and it's only going to be a matter of time, especially if Bitcoin or the rest of the market goes up. People are going to catch on to XDC, and you know that there's going to be a lot of good marketing. There's going to be a lot of people putting out information about all the big players that are involved, the partnerships. So when the market turns extremely bullish, this is for sure going to be one of those assets that is going to follow the bullish trajectory. Now, when it comes to my price prediction, I'd say by the second quarter, the beginning of second quarter, the end of the first quarter of next year, I'm saying within that time frame. So anywhere between the very end of this year towards the first quarter of next year, I wouldn't doubt if we see even like a $2 XDC. You know, it is very possible. Just like I was saying, when the market turns extremely bullish and Bitcoin starts going parabolic, that's when all this marketing is going to come out full force. You know, a lot of repeated good news that we've already heard throughout the time. You know, there's going to be a lot of new investors coming in, so they're going to replay that. You know, and people are going to start connecting the dots. They're going to say, this is a monster. And that is when money is going to flood in. So, you know, I'm going to say around $2. The XDC network aims to be a king of real-world asset tokenization, or tokenization of RWAs. So RWAs are real tangible assets in the physical world that can be tokenized, that can be digitized and put onto the blockchain. So in case you're new to the XDC network or new to tokenization, I'll just break it down for you. So tokenization of RWAs, just as I stated, it has emerged as a pivotal shift in how investors and institutions perceive and engage with digital assets. This is a key moment for blockchain technology. The adoptions of RWAs from BlackRock, for example, marks a significant shift towards blockchain adoption and a new era of finance. And since 2019, the XDC network, formerly XDC Network, has been dedicated to solving real-world problems through initiative blockchain solutions. This focus on practical applications of blockchain technology has positioned the XDC network as a critical player in the industry, enhancing the potential of RWA tokenization and utility. The XDC Network's strategic vision and role aim to pioneer a new era of financial interoperability, liquidity, and efficiency with dApps built on the XDC Network that perform RWA transactions on chain. So you can actually have these assets in digital form and people can interact. They can trade, they can store it, they can sell it, buy. So it's pretty revolutionary. The XDC Network's ecosystem features a range of real-world asset or RWA projects that are currently being conducted on the blockchain. XDC Network's fast transaction times, interoperability, and minimal fees, alongside its environmentally friendly design, has created a wide-ranging ecosystem of RWA projects looking to seamlessly integrate into the new digital economy. XDC Network has been trusted by a wide range of platforms and established industry leaders in traditional finance. BlackRock, for example, recent tokenized U.S. Treasury uses Securitize, which lists XDC Network in its top 4 supported networks. How about that? And look at the price of XDC currently. It's not going to stay that way for long. More directly, XDC Network established a joint unit with Japan's SBI Group to develop and deploy innovative solutions provided by the XDC Network. Through efficiency and established credibility with global compliant financial giants like BlackRock, XDC Network has become a premier place to challenge traditional financial systems and create a unique, innovative solution for tokenizing RWAs or real-world assets. Comtech Gold, for example, one of XDC Network's partners for real-world asset tokenization of precious metals, has created a CGO token. It is a digital asset backed by physical gold, where each CGO token represents 1 gram of gold stored securely in UAE vaults. Similarly, Kinesis Money has a KAU and a KAG token, which introduces gold and silver-based digital currencies, offering stable, transparent exchange and wealth protection medium. The XDC Network also powers stablecoins like Fathom's FXD and Stasis EURS. In the case of Fathom, for example, their dollar FXD is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar supported by over-collateralized XDC tokens, offering RWA yield from the Fathom vaults. The Stasis stablecoin, the EURS, offers a digital euro stablecoin backed by an equal reserve, bringing fast, scalable transactions. As with stablecoins, the XDC Network also introduces new RWA financial instruments like tokenized U.S. Treasuries, U.S. Treasury securities tokenization by YieldTech. They offer a USTY. It modernizes financial instruments by tokenizing U.S. Treasury securities on the XDC Network. USTY provides exposure to an ETF that seeks to track the investment results on an index composed of US dollar denominated government bonds. Whether the real-world asset or RWA's precious metal, stablecoins, tokenized treasuries, or anything else you can imagine, the XDC Network's infrastructure is characterized by fast transactions, minimal fees, and enhanced interoperability, which makes it an ideal ecosystem for RWA tokenization. RWA tokenization is a transformative process that blends the physical digital asset worlds, offering liquidity and efficiency. The XDC Network is leading the RWA tokenization space. I like to call it the king blockchain of tokenization. It's embracing new technologies and fostering an ecosystem that supports the growth and efficiency of digital finance. With a commitment to integrating RWAs, the XDC Network aims to transform traditional finance by making it more accessible and efficient throughout blockchain. Here we have the XDC Network against big name networks like Solana and TON. Here we have XDC Network is experiencing a period of significant growth and strategic partnership formation, solidifying its position as a leading contender in a blockchain space. This comes amidst well-publicized challenges faced by competitors like TON and Solana. Recent developments in the blockchain landscape for TON had a network outage. TON blockchain recently experienced a 6-hour outage due to an overload triggered by a meme coin airdrop. This incident exposed potential scalability limitations and network vulnerability to high transaction volumes. Now we know that Solana has had some issues in the past, so we have Solana network slowdown. Solana, known for its high throughput capabilities, has witnessed a significant decline in network activity over the past month. Daily revenue and transactions have dropped considerably, raising concerns about the network's utility. And now, here's the star, XDC Network. A differentiated approach, XDC Network distinguishes itself through a hybrid architecture that merges the robust security of public blockchains with the efficient scalability of private ones. This unique design makes XDC Network particularly well suited for enterprises and institutional solutions, a segment experiencing significant growth within the blockchain industry. XDC Network's competitive advantages, its enterprise-grade infrastructure, is second to none. XDC Network offers a robust and scalable EVM-compatible blockchain infrastructure, specifically tailored to businesses' needs. Focus on sustainability. The XDC Network prioritizes fostering sustainable Web3 ventures, aligning with current industry trends and investor preference. Also, you have high-profile partnerships. XDC Network established strategic partnerships with prominent entities such as Deutsche Telekom, Serpro, the Brazilian federal government's technology company, and a Digital Economy Council of Australia, just to name a few. These collaborations validate XDC's capabilities and position it for broader adoption. You also have scalability and efficiency with the XDC Network. Compared to other blockchains, it's really second to none. XDC boasts impressive transaction speeds, under a second, and minimal fees. Check out the fees right there, 0.0001. And environmentally friendly design, making it an attractive platform for real-world asset tokenization projects seeking seamless integration into the digital economy. You also have it's trusted by industry leaders. Platforms like Securitize, SBI Group, the World Trade Organization, so I was just going over a couple of those. You also have various governments are recognizing XDC's potential, further solidifying its position within the blockchain landscape. It also has a proven track record. Since its launch in 2019, XDC Network has maintained a remarkable 100% uptime record, demonstrating its reliability and commitment to continuous operations. I want to add also, it's got military-grade security. You know, as far as it being a secure network, it's a top network for that. So you have XDC Accelerator programs. XDC is actively contributing to the growth in Web3 ecosystem by launching accelerator programs to provide support and resources to early-stage blockchain startups. So while TON and Solana navigate current challenges, XDC Network is focused on enterprise adoption, scalability, sustainability, and proven track record positions it as a rising star in the current blockchain landscape. Its expanding ecosystem and strategic partnerships suggest continued momentum and a potential for significant future growth. The XDC Network has partnered with Giotis. It's an Indian exchange. So they announced here, big news, they've officially joined forces with Giotis to power India's crypto revolution. As a first step, they have officially listed XDC on Giotis crypto platform. They claim to be the Swiss knife of crypto investing. They offer staking, fixed rewards, and more. Here we have another listing of XDC on another Indian exchange, CoinPark. So XDC Network is now live on CoinPark. You can trade XDC effortlessly with on their INR and USDT market. Let's check out the world of the circular economy. Built on the XDC Network, we have Circularity Finance here. They've announced that they're going to be starting a marketing campaign. How cool is that? Current modules upgrade, so there's going to be new modules, multi-chain, and much more. So this is something to definitely look forward to. Currently, right now, there's around 400 wallets holding between CeFi and ReFi tokens. I really see this growing. I see this growing and becoming something very, very big in the near future. And anybody that is getting in now, keep in mind that the supply is extremely low. So that is to your benefit. You know, when this does get up on its legs and, you know, more people are investing into the XDC ecosystem, they're going to come across this gem and it's going to explode. All right, we have Diego Consumo, who is head of Latin America of XDC Network. He's going to be appearing September 12th at a modular summit event focused on businesses held by Ripio. So, we hear a lot about expansion around the world. We've been hearing a lot about Australia lately, but it's nice to hear what's going on with Latin America. So, Ripio, they announced that they are pleased to have Diego Consumo on the panel for RWA perspectives and opportunities of real asset tokenization at the Modular Summit. Diego is head of Latin America of XDC Network, founder of Crypto Investor, certified blockchain expert, market analysis, content creator with more than 12 years of experience in business strategic marketing, banking, and entrepreneur. He's passionate about the financial market, trade finance, RWA, and tokenization. Very cool. Here we have some big news coming up for the XDC Network. XDC Network will be at the International Trade and Finance and Digital Economy Conference. This is a big conference in Australia. They're excited to announce that Son White, Ecosystem and Business Development Lead at the XDC Network Australia, will represent the XDC Network at this International Trade and Finance and the Digital Economy Conference. It's an event organized by the Australian Centre for International Trade and Investment and the Australia and New Zealand Banking Group Limited. The conference is a prime opportunity to explore the intersection of international trade, finance, and the digital economy. So it's going to be Friday, August 30th. Son White will join a day of cutting-edge panels meticulously designed to help identify new technologies and solutions to enhance trade processes and understand evolving standards and regulations and how that impacts their business. The day will serve to provide an opportunity to talk to subject matter experts on how they can better prepare for trade distributions. Son will participate in the session Digitalization in Practice, how private sector innovations support the shift towards more efficient forms of paperless trade. Pretty cool. Don't forget to keep your valuable crypto assets safe and offline with a DCENT Biometric wallet. If you haven't taken your assets offline yet, now is the time to do it. Think about it, with possible risk of cyber attacks or exchanges going down or freezing your assets, it's smart to get them offline and onto a hardware wallet. If you purchase it through an affiliate link in the description of any video, you get an amazing deal and it does help support the channel. Thank you.